Yes. Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome back to Dear Maths classes. My dear students, last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇಂದ ಫ್ರಮ್ 2015 ಟು 2025 ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. Now start next question. What is the question here? The domain of the function f given by f of x is equals to 1 by square root of x minus 2 into x minus 5 is. So this question is from KCET 2025. Clear. So now in this question we have to find the domain of this function. Domain of this function means, let's consider x minus 2 into x minus 5 is greater than 0. Okay, it is not equals to 0, some greater than 0. So now the roots of this quadratic equation is, the roots of this quadratic expression, not equation, expression is x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 5. Okay, the roots of the quadratic expression. The inequality, what is the inequality here? The inequality x minus 2 into x minus 5 is greater than 0 means the inequality is holds true when 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 x is less than 2 or x is greater than 5. Okay, x is less than 2 or x is greater than 5. So x is less than 2 means what is the interval here? Therefore, what is the interval? X is less than 2 means minus infinity to 2. Okay, x is greater than 5. X is greater than 5 means interval is 5 to infinity. So here the symbol of or is union. Okay, so minus infinity to 2 union 5 to infinity. So option A is the correct answer for this question. This question is from KCET 2025. Clear? Next question. Let function f from real numbers to real number be defined by f of x is equals to x square plus 1. Okay, f of x is equals to x square plus 1. Then the pre-image of 17 and minus 3 respectively are. So here we need to find pre-images of 17 and minus 3 respectively are. So this question is from KCET 2024. Okay, so pre-images of 17 and minus 3 means, okay, pre-images of 17 and minus 3 means, so first case we have to consider f of x is equals to 17. Okay, f of x is equals to 17. So f of x is equals to 17 means 17 is equals to x square plus 1. Okay, so this plus 1 is transformed left hand side becomes x square is equals to 17 minus 1 is 16 and x is equals to square root of 16. So square root of 16 means x is equals to plus or minus 4. Okay, so what is the pre-image of 17 here? Plus or minus 4. So plus or minus 4, is there any option? Plus or minus 4. So this option is deleted, this option is deleted, and this option or this option. Okay, now check second one, minus 3 is there. So now in second case consider f of x is equals to minus 3. So minus 3 means, so minus 3 is equals to x square plus 1. So this minus plus 1 is transferred left hand side becomes x square is equals to minus 4. So x is equals to square root of minus 4. So square root of minus 4 means it is belongs to complex number. Okay, it is not belongs to real number. So not belongs to real number means here pre-image we get empty set. So empty set means which option now? Option C is the correct answer. Option D also wrong. Clear? So pre-images of 17 is plus or minus 4. Pre-images of minus 3 is empty set is the pre-image because here function is from real numbers to real number. So here we get complex number. So it is not belongs to real number. So second one minus 3 is a empty set. Clear? Now, next question. If f of x is equals to ax plus b, if f of x is equals to ax plus b, where a and b are integers, f of minus 1 is equals to minus 5 and f of 3 is equals to 3, then find a and b respectively. Okay, what is the given function here? F of x is equals to ax plus b. F of x is equal to ax plus b. What is the given first condition? F of minus 1 is equals to minus 5. What is the given condition? F of minus 1 is equals to minus 5. So in the place of x substitute minus 1, we get minus 5. So here a of minus 1 plus b is equals to minus 5. So a of minus 1 means minus a plus b is equals to minus 5. Simplify this, we get a minus b is equals to 5. Okay, this is first equation. A minus b is equals to 5. So next, what is the next condition? F of 3 is equals to 3. So f of 3 is equals to 3 means in the place of x substitute 3. So a of 3 plus b is equals to 3. Okay, a of 3 means 3a plus b is equals to 3. So this is the second equation. Solve equation number 1 and 2. Solve 3a plus b is equals to 3 and a minus b is equals to 5. Simplify this, plus b minus b cancel. We get 4a is equals to 8 and 4 ones are 4 twos are. A is equals to 2. What is the a value? 2 is the a value. Now this a value substitute in any one equation, we get b value. So 2 minus b is equals to 5 and 2 minus 5 is equals to b minus 3 is equals to b. What is the b value here? Minus 3. So your question is find a and b respectively. A and b respectively means in orderly. So a is equals to 2, a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 3. A is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus 3. Clear? Yes. Next question. See, next question. Let relation RB is defined in N by A or B if 3A plus 2B, here means it is a condition. Okay, A comma B belongs to real number. So 3A plus 2B is equals to 27, then R is, what is the relation here? Relation R is equals to A comma B such that 3a plus 2b is equals to 27. Okay. So R is relation R is equals to a comma b such that 3a plus 2b is equals to 27. So consider this equation 3a plus 2b is equals to 27. So 2b is equals to 27 minus 3a. B is equals to 27 minus 3a by 2. What is this? B is equals to 27 minus 3a by 2. Now consider this options A, B, C, D. So first substitute A is equals to 1. Okay. If A is equals to 1 means B is equals to 27 minus 3 ones are 3 by 2 is equals to 27 minus 3 is 24 by 2 is equals to we get 12. Okay. So if A is equals to 1 means we get B value is 12. So which options are there? 1, 12 and 1, 12, 1, 12. So these three options are there. Option C is eliminated. Next, if A is equals to 2, is there any 2? Option 2 is there? No. Already option C is deleted. So if you consider 2 means 3 2 is 6. 27 minus 6 is 21 we get. 21 by 2 means we get in decimal. Okay. So don't consider 2. Now you consider A is equals to 3. So A is equals to 3 means B is equals to 27 minus A is equals to 3 means 3 3 is 9. Okay. 9 by 2. Okay. 27 minus 9 means 18. 18 by 2 is equals to 9. Okay. So 3, 9. So 3, 9 means again these three options. 3, 9 is there. Again three options. Once you check this 0, so A is equals to 0 means here we get 27 by 2. Okay. So 0, 27 by 2. Okay. Next. Next we have to check. But here natural number given. So natural number means 0 is not in natural number. So option D is eliminated. Very simple. Here natural number is defined in natural number. So defined in natural number means 0 is not in natural number. So option D is deleted. So remaining only A and B is there. In that A and B, 1 comma 2 will get, 3 comma 9 also we get. Now check 5 comma 6 and 7 comma 3 also is there. Directly now go to 9 comma 0. So 9 comma 0 means here 0 is not in natural number. Clear? Once you check 27 minus 9 3 is 27 by 2 0 by anything you will get 0, but 0 is not belongs to natural number. So option B also deleted. What is the remaining answer? Option A is the remaining answer. So directly these two options are directly deleted because 0 0 is 0. directly. And here in first case only, this option is deleted. So directly, first option A is the answer. Clear? Yes. Next question. Sorry, this question is from KCET 2020 to 2023. Okay, 2 years continuous from 2022 and 2023. See, actually, so many questions are repeated. Here I am not discussing repeated questions also. Only one time I explain. Okay, so many questions are repeated from relations and functions. So this question is repeated in 2022 and 2023 also. Clear? So like that, is there some questions are there? Repeated questions are there. Okay. So now next question is, suppose that number of elements in set A is P. Okay. N of A is equals to P. Very simple. Okay. Number of elements in set B is Q. Okay. N of B is equals to Q. Then the number of elements in A cross B is 7. See. N of A cross B is equals to 7. Then find P square plus Q square is equals to question mark. Okay, this question is from KCET 2022. Okay, this question is KCET 2022. So we know n of A is equals to P, n of B is equals to Q, n of A cross B is equals to 7, P square plus Q square is. Okay, sir, here we know one condition, n of A cross B means, n of A cross B means formula P into Q. Okay, P cross Q means P into Q. So P into Q means here value given 7. Okay, this 7 also written as P into Q is equals to 7 into 1. Here, so from this we get P is equals to 7, Q is equals to 1. P is equals to 7, Q is equals to 1 means find P square plus Q square. So P square plus Q square means 7 square plus 1 square is equals to 49 plus 1 is equals to 50. Okay, so what is the answer? 50 is the answer. Option A is the correct answer. Clear? Next. Ah, if next question, if greatest integer of x square minus 5x plus 6 is equals to 0, where x denotes the greatest integer function. So this symbol x denotes the greatest integer function. So let consider, so this as y square minus 5y plus 6 is equals to 0. Because of our simple formation, y square minus 5y plus 6 is equals to 0. Let you consider applying the splitting of middle term, we get y square minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 is equals to 0. Take y as a common, remaining is y minus 3 minus 2 as a common, remaining y minus 3 is equals to 0. If you have any doubts, check once. Y into y is y square, plus into minus is minus, 3 into y is 3y, minus into plus is minus, 2 into y is 2y, minus into minus is plus, 3 to the 6. Very simple. Okay. So from this equation, what is the common here? Y minus 3 is common. Remaining is y minus 2 is common. It is equals to 0. Clear? So roots are zeros of this quadratic is y is equals to 2 comma 3. Y is nothing but we get here greatest integer x is equals to y, we get correct. So y is nothing but y. Okay, so greatest integer of x is equals to 2. Okay, greatest integer of x is equals to 2 means here x is belongs to closed interval 2 comma 3. Okay, in the yesterday's class only we discuss. Okay, greatest integer function values closed interval 2 comma 3, and the greatest integer of x is equals to 3 means x is belongs to closed interval 4 comma 3 comma closed interval 3 comma 4. Okay, now what is the range of this x? X is belongs to closed interval 2 comma 4, open interval 4. Okay, so this is the option. Which answer is correct here? Option B is the correct answer. Clear? So given greater integer quadratic form is considered as y square minus 5y plus 6 is equals to 0. From this quadratic, we have to find the roots. Okay, here y is nothing but greatest integer of x. So greatest integer of x is equals to 2 means the range is between x is belongs to 2 comma 3. Okay, means we get 2 is less than or equals to x, it is less than 3 means greatest integer value is 2, and 3 is less than or equals to x, it is less than 4 means greatest integer is 3. Clear? So here interval closed interval 2 comma 4 is the answer. Okay. Next. Next. KCET 2025 question. Okay. KCET 2025 question. See, let set A is equals to set of A comma B comma C. The number of equivalence relation on A containing B comma C is. Okay. So here what is the condition here? Containing B comma C is. Okay. Number of equivalence relation. So number of equivalence relation means first the equivalence relation means we have to satisfy reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay. So which relation is satisfied reflexive, symmetric, transitive, that relation is called equivalence relation. Clear? So here reflexive means again A comma A is belongs to R for all A is belongs to set A. Symmetric means A comma B is belongs to R, it implies B comma A is belongs to R for all A comma B is belongs to set A. Transitive means A comma B is belongs to R and B comma C is belongs to R. It implies A comma C is belongs to R. For all A comma B comma C is belongs to A. Okay. So these three are the conditions of reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So given set A is equals to A, B, C. Now find the number of equivalence relations of set A means. Okay. So first we have to check one relation R1 is equals to A comma B comma C is there. So take A comma A comma A comma C, B comma B comma B comma C, next C comma C comma C comma C. So we have to check reflexive A comma B comma B, C comma C reflexive. A comma A comma B, again A comma B, symmetric. Okay, so here A comma C, again A comma C, symmetric. Now check A comma A, and take B comma A. Sorry, B comma C. You take A comma B comma C, and A comma C. Transitive also. Okay, in this A comma B comma C, it implies A comma C. Transitive also satisfied. Clear. So one relation we get. Now check another relation. Is there means R2 is equals to A, B, B, C, C. Reflexive is satisfied. Next, here condition is containing B, C. So B, C and C, B. This you check. Reflexive, symmetric, okay. Symmetric BC, CB, symmetric. Check transitive, uh, B, C and B, C, again C we get. Okay, C, again B we get. Correct. So transitive also satisfied. So now total number of equivalence relations. How many number of equivalence relations? How many relations we get here? Okay. How many relations? Number of relations means it is equals to two relations we get containing B, C. Two relations we get. Clear. Next. It is very simple question. This question is from KCET 2022. Here direct question is there. So if the set X containing 7 elements, so n of X is equals to 7 elements, and the set Y contains n elements, so n of Y is equals to 8 elements, then the number of bijective from X to Y is. Okay, so number of bisections means we have to check number of X is equals to number of Y. Okay, okay, number of X is equals to number of Y, because where it is bijection. Okay, when it is bijection means here number of X is equals to number of Y. But here 7 is not equals to 8. So number of bijections means what is the answer? 0 is the answer. Okay, no bijection here. 0 is the answer. Clear? No bijection function. So 0 is the answer. Clear? This question is from KCET 2022. Clear? Yes. Next. Yes. Dear students, from sets chapter, approximately some 10 questions are completed. from relations and functions. I think approximately some 25 to 26 questions are completed, three sections. Okay. So again, next chapter from trigonometry or complex number or linear inequality or any other chapter I select. Okay. So if you like these videos, please share and subscribe and uh, follow my channel. Okay. So please press bell icon for get more information or get notifications. Clear. If any suggestions or any doubts is there means please raise your comments on comment box. Thank you for watching.